Hello friends, welcome to Engineering Pandu. We will discuss today edges of undefined shape, that is indication and dimensioning, how to represent this on the drawing and what it means. And in this video it is the detail how to show the edges and how the dimension is considered according to ISO 13715. Friends, this is the edges of undefined shape. So there are two ways. So one is undercut. So how to represent undercut or what undercut means. So here you can see the key is idle sharp edges and undercut. So what it means is, you can see here, this is one. So this is the ideal shape. So this ideal shape should be a perfect corner, but this is not the perfect corner, and there is a undercut like this. So this is what we call as a undercut. So this is the undercut, and these are the examples of undercut on an external edges. So this is the undercut compared to this sharp corner, and this is also the undercut compared to this sharp edges, and this is also the undercut. So this is the undercut. So these are the different examples of undercut on external edges. Now let's see undercut on internal edges. So here you can see this is the internal edge is formed like this, and this is the undercut. Similarly, there are examples of various undercut on internal edges. You can see here this is the undercut which is also there. And then we have passing. So what passing means is, this should be the ideal shape and this is the passing. So passing means the extra material over and above the sharp corner, so that is called passing. So passing of edges on external edges, here are the few examples, and here you can see burrs or a flash. This is the passing, this is the extra edge, this is the extra edge is passing, this is the extra edge, this is also the extra edge. So these are the various examples of passing on external edges. Then passing on internal edges is, here you can see this is the internal edge, and this is extra material over and above the sharp corner. So this is the passing on internal edges, and these are the examples of passing on internal edges. You can say this is the extra material compared to sharp corner. So these all are passings on an internal edges. Then we have basic indication. Here you can see this is the basic indication which is used to represent on the drawing. Here you can see basic general indication. On corner you can represent like this, on internal corner you can represent like this. Then we have symbol. Here you can see the symbol with plus sign indicates external edges. Passing permitted, undercut not permitted. Plus means passing is permitted, extra material is permitted, but undercut is not permitted on external edges. And for internal edges, passing is permitted and undercut not permitted. Similarly, if the minus symbol is there, then the passing is not permitted, means extra material is not permitted, and undercut is required, means undercut means less material is accepted. Then here plus and minus both symbol means everything is permitted, whether it is passing or undercut. Friends, then we have size of an external edges. Here you can see, now we have understood now the undercut and passing now and symbol. Now it is with some dimension +1. So this means +1 mm it is permitted on this side, +1 mm it is permitted on this side. Similarly, if it is -1, you can see here undercut it is permitted -1 mm, it is permitted -1 mm. Then size of internal edges, you can see here it is permitted, extra material permitted 11 mm. Here it is -0.5 mm. So now it is undercut and this material is permitted -0.5 0.5 mm. Similarly, direction of passing, here you can see it is +1, so it is permitted in this direction +1 mm. In this direction it is nothing, 0. Then here you can see it is -1, so it is permitted in this direction, and here you can see on this direction there is 0. So these are the different example of direction of undercut and passing. Then we have direction of passing on internal edge. Here you can see -0.5, -1. So undercut -1, -0.5 is permitted. Then direction of passing on internal edge, you can see here it is 0.5 it in this direction, and in y direction it is +1. So this is how it is interpreted. Then we have direction of passing on an internal edge. Here you can see it is a example. This is -1, -0.1. So this is how you can represent on the drawing. This is also the sectional view to represent on edges, like internal. You can see here this is a cross section and an internal edges on the internal hole. Here you can see inside edges. So this is how it is indicated on the drawing. And friends, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to Engineering Fundu. We will keep you uploading few good engineering related fundamentals. So friends, if you like this video, please like. Thank you very much and happy learning.